My name is Lorenzo. I'm from Melbourne, Australia, and I decided to come to Smile Hair Clinic to get a hair transplant. Look, I think from the start to the post-op operation, everybody was fantastic. They clearly told us what to expect and what to do in terms of medication and how to wash our hair. And each step of the way, they answered every single question and every single concern that I or anybody else had, they were able to answer with confidence. So it was very, very good post-op conversation and just general conversation. My question was, because my flight is so long from Turkey to Melbourne, it's 20 hours, is it okay if I don't wash my hair for those 20 hours? And the team reassured me that it is okay for one day not to wash it during the flight, but they said you can try and wash it the morning of the flight. That way you've still washed your hair, and on the flight you don't have to worry about not washing your hair, because then you can always do it when you get home. The operation, the local anesthetic, everybody warned me that it might be a little bit painful, and they were correct, it was a little bit painful, but not as bad as what everybody made it out to be. It is very, very bearable, but once the local anesthetic has been put in your head, then you do not feel a single thing. The team is very professional, and I think I actually fell asleep for 2 hours of the operation because I didn't feel anything, and I was so comfortable with everybody that was operating on me. I speak English and Italian, and I've had no problem with communication, as they have translators here at Smile Hair Clinic, but everybody speaks English, and the English that is spoken is very, very good, so I had no problems at all. So I had a fantastic experience here at Smile Hair Clinic and would 100% recommend to anybody that is thinking about getting a hair transplant.
Okay, can you say goodbye in Italian?
Grazie e arrivederci.